Planet Earth. A world of oceans, mountains, forests, deserts, and mysteries. We walk on it every day. But how much do we really know about our home? You may think Earth is familiar, but today you'll discover 10 amazing facts that will completely change how you see our planet. Some of these facts will shock you, some will inspire you, and others will make you realize just how fragile and extraordinary Earth really is. Stay with us until fact number 1, because it's something that will blow your mind. This is Quesnova. And here are 10 amazing facts about planet Earth. Number 1, Earth is not a perfect sphere. Let's start with a myth we've all grown up with. The idea that Earth is a perfect sphere. The truth? Earth is actually slightly squashed. Because of its constant rotation, our planet bulges at the equator, making it an oblate spheroid. This means the equatorial diameter is 43 kilometers wider than pole to pole. To put that into perspective, if you drove 43 kilometers, it would take you about 40 minutes at highway speed. That's how much Earth bulges. This subtle shape difference also explains why objects weigh slightly less at the equator than at the poles. Yes, that means you'd technically be lighter if you stood in Ecuador than in Greenland. Quick question for you. If you could weigh yourself anywhere in the world, would you rather be at the equator and be a little lighter? Or stand tall at the poles? Comment below, I'd love to know. Number 2, the Earth's crust is just a thin skin. Everything we've ever known, our cities, mountains, oceans, and civilizations, exists on a paper-thin shell called the Earth's crust. If Earth were an apple, the crust would be thinner than the peel. Beneath it lies the mantle, stretching thousands of kilometers deep, and beneath that, the blazing molten core. In some places, like under the ocean floor, the crust is just 5 kilometers thick. That's thinner than a quick bicycle ride across town. Under tall mountains, it can reach up to 70 kilometers thick. But even then, it's nothing compared to Earth's full radius of over 6,300 kilometers. And here's the incredible part, despite all of humanity's technology, we've only drilled about 12 kilometers down, barely scratching the surface. Most of Earth remains a mystery, hidden deep below our feet. Number 3, Earth has a second moon. We all know and love the moon. But did you know Earth has a second cosmic companion? It's called crust, a small asteroid sometimes nicknamed Earth's second moon. Now, it doesn't orbit Earth the same way the moon does. Instead, it follows a synchronized path around the sun that weaves in and out with Earth's orbit. Think of it as a cosmic dance partner, always near us, but never truly circling us. Astronomers call this a co-orbital object. It's invisible to the naked eye, but it's been traveling alongside Earth for hundreds of years. Imagine, while we stare up at the familiar moon, there's another hidden companion quietly sharing our journey through space. Number 4, the hottest and coldest temperatures ever recorded. Earth is a planet of extremes. The hottest temperature ever recorded was a scorching 56.7 degrees Celsius, or 134 degrees Fahrenheit, in Death Valley, California. At that heat, the ground itself can cook food. Tourists have even tried frying eggs on the asphalt. On the opposite side of the spectrum, the coldest temperature ever recorded was a bone-freezing -89.2 degrees Celsius, or -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, in Antarctica. That's so cold, exposed skin can freeze in less than a minute. Imagine the difference. A swing of more than 145 degrees Celsius between Earth's hottest and coldest points. No wonder Earth is a planet of survival and adaptation. Let me ask you, would you rather spend a day in the hottest place on Earth or the coldest? Let me know in the comments. Number 5. Earth is the only planet with liquid water. Water is life. And Earth is the only known planet in the universe with stable liquid water on its surface. Over 70% of Earth is covered by oceans, yet 97% of that water is salty. Just 3% is fresh. And most of that is locked in ice caps and glaciers. That leaves less than 1% of all water available for drinking, farming, and life as we know it. To picture this, imagine Earth's entire water supply as a 1-liter bottle. Only a single teaspoon would represent all the fresh water humans and animals can actually use. It's a reminder of just how precious every drop of water really is. Number 6. The Amazon creates its own rain. The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the Earth, is more powerful than we think. Through a process called transpiration, the billions of trees release moisture into the air, creating clouds and eventually producing their own rainfall. In fact, the Amazon generates about half of its own precipitation. Without it, much of South America would turn dry. And the climate of the entire world would be drastically different. It's like the Amazon is Earth's own natural weather machine. Constantly recycling, constantly giving. Number 7. Earth is billions of years old. Our planet is ancient. Scientists estimate Earth formed 4.5 billion years ago. To imagine that timeline, let's compress Earth's entire history into a single year. Life begins in March. Dinosaurs don't appear until late December. And humans? We show up in the last few minutes of December 31st. That means all of recorded human history is just a blink compared to the age of Earth. We are newcomers in a very, very old story. Number 8. The highest and deepest points on Earth. On land, the highest point is Mount Everest, rising 8,849 meters above sea level. Climbing it takes weeks, oxygen tanks, and incredible courage. But the deepest known place? The Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean, nearly 11,000 meters deep. If you dropped Mount Everest inside, its peak would still be 2 kilometers underwater. To help you picture this, that's like stacking 12 Burj Khalifa towers, the tallest skyscraper in the world, one on top of another, and still not reaching the ocean's surface. It's a reminder that while we've mapped the mountains above, the oceans below still hold countless secrets. Number 9. Earth's atmosphere protects us like a shield. Earth's atmosphere is more than just air, it's a protective shield. It blocks deadly radiation from the sun, keeps our climate stable, and allows water to remain liquid. It even burns up most meteors before they can strike the surface, turning what could be catastrophic impacts into beautiful shooting stars. Without our atmosphere, Earth would look more like Mars, barren, dry, and hostile. Every breath we take is thanks to this invisible armor wrapped around our planet. Number 10. Earth is constantly moving. And finally, the fact that blows everyone's mind. Even when you're sitting perfectly still, you're moving at incredible speeds. At the equator, Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour, faster than a jet plane. Meanwhile, Earth itself orbits the Sun at nearly 30 kilometers per second. And our solar system? It's racing through the Milky Way galaxy at over 828,000 kilometers per hour. That means as you're watching this video, you're not just sitting on a couch or at a desk. You're actually hurtling through space on a cosmic spaceship called Earth. It's an incredible reminder that we're part of something far bigger than ourselves. And that's just 10 of the many amazing facts about our home planet. From its thin crust to its mighty oceans, from the extremes of heat and cold to its constant journey through space, Earth never stops surprising us. Which fact amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to subscribe to Quesnova. Hit the notification bell and join us every week as we explore more about the world, history, nature, and wonders that make our planet so extraordinary. Don't just watch, discover, learn, and wonder with us.